is my site, which basically is completely banked right now. And once I upload the files, the site will be launched. That is all it needs to do. So basically I will go in and start uploading here. So I will just pick the downloaded file which I have from the members area of the DIGI Store Builder. So I'll just go and select this. And in the next few minutes, you will see that the file would get uploaded. Okay, so once the upload is done, you just click on going back, and then you will be going back to the file manager over here. This is the zip file you uploaded. You will just go ahead and extract this over here in your folder. Now, once the extraction is done, you will just reload it from here, and you will see all the files are here, and we will go ahead and hit refresh on our website, and you will see that the website is live. That is all it takes to basically launch your new store builder. All right.